guys, I'm Natalia, health and fitness instructor, sport tutor, active athlete from Ukraine. And it's common belief that healthy food is expensive or tastes less, but I will show you that healthy food can be quickly prepared, very much good tasty and inexpensive. So I'm preparing for you different healthy recipe and tips. Today I'm preparing for you amazing healthy dish. This is my favorite dinner. This is a rocket salad. All what we need for rocket salad. This is these ingredients. First of all, amazing rocket leaves, eggs, cottage cheese, different greens what you like, yogurt, Greek yogurt, olives, salt, pepper, and little bit nuts what you more tasty. All who control their body weight will be very like this salad, because in 100 salad, this is big bowl, this salad have only 98 calories and very high protein, because we have white eggs, we have cottage cheese, we have Greek yogurt in this salad, so near 4 to 6 grams protein in this salad. Come fast to the kitchen and start cooking with me amazing dinner, very light and very healthy. This is my favorite dinner. This is rocket leaf salad. So we will start from eggs. We need cut these eggs, but who worried about their body weight, who worried about their muscle weight, so we have 3 full-boiled eggs, but we can use only white eggs, or can use total, or can half. I will do 2 half and 1 full eggs. So cut with me. And this we use only white. We will not use yolk, because yolk, this is very much calories and cholesterol. And one more, also only white. Only white eggs. So, yolk we don't need, and white eggs we coming to mix bowl. Next what we will cut, this is cottage cheese. We don't need full, of course, this is very much. Now we're coming for main product of this salad. This is rocket leaves. Rocket leaves have very much healthy minerals and vitamins. Vitamins group A, B, C, K, and E. This is increasing your immunity system. This is increasing activate your metabolism. This is very good for skin, for hair, and for nails. So for women, this will be amazing product. So, and this product, rocket leaves, we are not cut with steel, because this is oxidized with metal leaves, and they are less vitamins and minerals. So this we can cut only with your hands, with big glove and big heart. So now we can little bit olive, if you like. Now we are preparing sauce for this. This is very easy. This we're doing Greek yogurt, little bit. Only for shining, olive oils. Mix this. Now more greens, what you like. This also we can do with hands, because we need all vitamins and minerals what have this amazing product. All this mixed. Coming to our salad. Now we mixed. Again, we are not using any steel. we use plastic or wood. Now we will salt, pepper. For this salad, very good black pepper. And again, good mix this. And last, little bit nuts. That's all. Our amazing dinner ready. This is my favorite recipe and favorite dinner. Now we are ready to push our salad to beautiful plate. Have yellow, because healthy food must look also very aesthetic and beautiful. Little bit decoration for our salad. Presentation very important because food must looking aesthetic and beautiful. Our salad is ready. You can try this and let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.